Hey guys, it's Wags with Ironman 4x4, and I wanted to take a minute and show you a great accessory for our 270 Delta Wing awnings. It's this LED light bar kit. It fits right up inside the U-channel frame, so it's tucked up and out of the way. They've got 3 settings: bright white, cool white, and yellow. And that yellow is kind of a really nice orangey color, so it helps keep the bugs away. Also, if you want to go full bright and really light things up, they've got 830 lumens. But the feature that I like is you can dim them down really low, so that if you've got other people around at the campfire or doing something and you're trying to get dishes or find gear or something like that, you're not blinding everybody. They've got these nice waterproof plugs and this good controller for bumping it on, turning it up, turning it down. And when you're all done, you just unscrew each one of these lights. They stay up in the frame. You close up your awning, wrap this up, throw it in your truck. You're good to go. If you want more info or to pick one of these 270-degree awning LED light kits up, go to Ironman4x4America.com.